YouTube video can no longer play through Bluetooth speaker. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that your Bluetooth is connected with your device and your device is connected to its Bluetooth speaker so that whenever you open up or you play the YouTube video, it will be playing through it. So for that, all you have to do is just swipe down and tap on the Bluetooth option over here. As you tap on Bluetooth, you'll be able to see different devices over here. Now make sure that you have connected the device with your YouTube speaker. After that, if this does not work out, try to reboot the device and connect it again, and this might help you in connecting and playing YouTube video from your Bluetooth speaker. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.